is this art? Some will say it, some will don't, but I will challenge you to stick around for this entire video as we explore street art of Copenhagen.
Hey yo, D Smoke! Man, why don't you represent the wood one time, could you please?
Super good, Smitto, D-S-M-O-K-E, bitch it's official. I got these other niggas in quite a deliver pick-up, cause they bitch want me to pour champagne, drip off the nipples. Get off, kick off the party, lift off and piss off the people who kiss up to the establishment. Haven't you seen their ego? Like me, no, I used to do this shit cause I loved it, busted for freedom. I still do this shit for the love, but add another zero. A hero, in my city, I'm Diddy mixed with Rico. Strong, I throw this dick at my lady like it's a free throw. Long time, me love you design by heat and struggle with porn rhymes. I bubble, I grind, these motherfuckers ain't never seen nothing like me.
Where your roots run? Smokey talking that shit, nigga, where you from? We can do some. Won't keep talking that shit, you just might move some. Apply that pressure, 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 pressure. Apply that pressure, 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 pressure.
Am I wrong for putting this on? You would if you could. In my zone, they leave me alone.
Jagtvej 69. Yeah, a great place for looking at the artworks of Copenhagen, the street art of Copenhagen. You can see it up behind me. You can see these big murals, but they are a product of something that once was, because this was a place for the youth house, the young people's house here in Copenhagen. Unfortunately, it is destroyed now. It is this that is left. Long story, and I will happily go into it if you're interested, but it's mostly a Copenhagen story. But what we want to know is that this has been a battleground, and the artworks on the side is a product of this battleground, the fight for the youth house. And that has inspired two great murals. One about, democracy, freedom. One, a woman smelling the flower of freedom. Both are exquisite paintings in their own regards. So definitely worth coming by here. And let's head for another place, because there's plenty more places here in Copenhagen with beautiful street art. When you see a beautiful mural like the one right up here, you tend to think, oh, it's so beautiful. But if you notice at the bottom, there is something written in black. It's written Palestine, and it is not that I'm against Palestine. No. I am all for free Palestine. But we don't have to jam it down everybody's throat everywhere, and we especially don't want to destroy beautiful art to show it, because that is the way that we end up sending the wrong signal. So don't deface things like that. You perfectly good wall to make a great mural down here saying Free Palestine, but don't destroy something else for it. That's the point I wanted to make right here. And let's head on, because there's plenty more in the beautiful gallery of Copenhagen.
No matter what you say, what you do, when I'm alone, I'd rather be with you.
If you by now in this video are wondering why does the seasons keep changing and why does his apparel keep changing, well, that's because it has taken me over a year to find, curate and make this video so you get the best of the best. It is not just random street art, it is the best street art. And in the description I have linked to an app I find useful, and it has a lot of the street art. Some of it is no more there, that I also have to curate away, and some of it is not that good. But this is the product of 1 year's work just for you.
So therefore I've lost all hope of a happy ending, depending on whether or not it's worth it. So insecure, no one's perfect, we spend it with no shame. We blow that like Coltrane, we in here like Rogaine, or leave it like Cobain. And when I'm long gone, whole crew singing swan song.
The mural right behind me is one of Defact's or Dean Stockton's latest masterpieces, and it features these two, well, bodies, two people which are fascinated by each other. They are in traditional or vintage racing gear, as we can see the old style helmets, the old suits. It is really a masterpiece, and it is made this year, 2025. Dean Stockton was actually early on the scene in 2005, where the artist showed the artist's first show, a show of this magnitude. And of course, this is definitely worth it. One of the best pieces I have seen so far here in Copenhagen. It really has the colors, it has the subtlety of street art that doesn't, destroy the view or distract drivers, but still the fascination. It's a masterpiece I can look for several hours, so definitely worth seeing. And let's head for some more interesting places.
Hold up, hold up.
With that view of the street gallery of Copenhagen, the outdoor gallery, then you are not finished, because over in this episode there's much more from this street gallery out in Copenhagen. So check it out right there, and I look forward to seeing more street art with you right over there.